Ever wanted to record your computer screen with your voice for tutorials, gaming, or presentations? Today, I'll walk you through how to use OBS Studio to capture both your screen and audio smoothly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your sources, check your audio, and make a quality recording, all for free. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up OBS Studio. If this is your first time, don't worry. OBS can look overwhelming, but I'll guide you through the essentials. No guesswork required. At the bottom of the OBS window, you'll see what's called the Sources box. This is where you tell OBS what to capture. In our case, the computer screen and your microphone. To add your screen, look for the little plus sign at the bottom of the Sources panel and give it a click. This opens up a list of different input options. Choose Display Capture. This is what grabs everything showing on your monitor. OBS will ask you to name it. Let's call it something simple like My Screen. Hit OK, and you'll see a drop-down letting you pick which display to record, which is handy if you have two monitors or a specific screen in mind. Select the one you want and press OK. Just like that, your main display is being captured. Next, you'll want OBS to get your microphone's audio, so your voice comes through loud and clear. Tap the plus icon in the Sources box one more time, and this time select Audio Input Capture. Give it a name, MicWorks, and click OK. Now, you'll see a Properties window. Here, you'll choose your actual microphone from the Device drop-down menu. If you're not sure which one is yours, look for the brand or model name. Once you've got the right mic selected, click OK again. This ensures OBS is set to record your voice and not just silence, or worse, the wrong audio source. Before you jump into recording, let's double-check your audio levels. In the middle of OBS, there's a section called Audio Mixer. Take a look at your microphone channel. If you speak into your mic, you should see the level meter bouncing in green as you talk. That's a great sign. If it's not moving, double-check your input settings. You can also adjust how loud your mic and desktop sound will be in this mixer. Drag the sliders left or right based on what you prefer. Maybe your game's music is a bit too loud or your voice is too soft. These controls help balance everything out. Now you're ready to record. Normally, in the controls panel at the bottom right, you'd see a big Start Recording button. Because I'm already running OBS to make this tutorial, you'll see Stop Recording instead, but it's in that exact same spot. All you do is click Start Recording, and OBS gets to work. Go ahead and perform whatever actions or demo you want. The screen and your voice will be captured in real time. Don't rush. Take your time and make sure you get what you want on tape. When you're done, click that Stop Recording button in the controls panel. The video file will be saved right away to the folder set in your OBS settings. If you're unsure where your recordings go, you can check or change this folder anytime in the Settings menu under Output. And that's it. You now know how to use OBS Studio to record your screen with audio, no headaches, no lost footage. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you ran into any trouble or want to see more on editing or streaming in OBS. Hit subscribe so you don't miss future tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.